Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine on this day, and it's a good day today, and weather is great. So friends, today I'll be sharing some nice benefits of sesame seeds. There are so many types of sesame seeds actually, so I can show you here the three types of sesame seeds. The first one is just the plain white one, and they look like this. I hope you can see, and they are very tasty to eat, and you can sprinkle them on any foods, any beverages. So this is the plain sesame seeds. This is little toasted. They have been roasted, and I got roasted one from Walmart actually. So this is how they look, and they are little darker in color because they have been roasted so well. And the other one is black sesame seeds, also known as kalonji, and this is used in pickles and all the spicy stuff to make it more digestible. And these are the three types of sesame seeds, and this is even put in the coconut oil which I had showed you when I had made coconut oil. With this you have a better hair growth and no hair fall and no loss of hair. So this is what it's useful for, friends. So I'll tell you the benefits of white sesame seeds now. So let's get started. The first benefit of sesame seeds are that they have a lot of calcium and magnesium in them. A person who doesn't likes to drink milk can always soak the sesame seeds in the water overnight, and in the morning just take that water and whatever seeds they had soaked it and just churn it in the mixie, and you get the sesame seed milk right there. And this has to be soaked, and it's very beneficial for your bones and your skin. So, and it is even good for the old people who have joint pains, arthritis, and all bone related issues also. I had even done one facial where I had soaked almonds and sesame seeds and groundnut seeds. I'll put a description below, and you can follow that also. As I've already told, it's very good for the skin, so I have used it even as my facial. Sesame seeds are very good because it has anti-aging properties. It's good for your hair, skin, and nice overall hair problems. So you have to use it, and it's good in omega-3 and all. So it's very beneficial. Again, it's rich in iron, vitamin B. It even regulates blood pressure. Person who have high blood pressure can have this and sleep in the night. They will get very good sleep also. It's very good for joints, as I've already told, and it is good for arthritis patients and bone people who have fallen down, broken their bones, and had surgeries in bone surgeries and all. It helps in giving good bone health also. It has anti-inflammatory properties also, and it prevents cancer. So there are good amounts of reason why you should eat sesame seeds. It gives good digestion because it has lots of fiber in it. So it has good oils of its own. So it is good for good digestion too. This is even good for osteoporosis. I've already told about the bone health and all. And some people don't like to eat sesame seeds. They can always sprinkle on their smoothies, on their yogurt, on their food. And while making tortillas, you can just knead tortilla putting all these three seeds, and it gives a good crunchy flavor too. It is very good for lactating mothers who don't get milk very much. Eating this will improve their getting milk also. So much of benefits. A normal person to a pregnant woman to an old woman, old man, everybody can have this. So once the child becomes 3, you can start giving sesame seeds. So there's nothing, and if the child is allergic, you only need to take care of this, that you cannot give him because they are seeds and nuts. So it's very beneficial actually. People who stay in America and cold climates, like I'm in America, and if I usually take sesame seeds a lot kind of things, because in winter it keeps my body warm naturally, and it gives you that inside heat which you need to be in the outside cold. When the temperatures become minus 11 and minus 12, it's very hard to live in these countries. But you have people who stay are very strong things actually, so we need to become strong. So even when I came from India, I used to shiver a lot. I never liked America's climates. I would always say, oh, it's cold and all. But right now sometimes it is not that bad, because we get used to it, and we need to take a lot of immunity things, and ginger is again very good. So you must have seen me taking so much of ginger in my food, and also I eat all this dry fruits and all. So it's better to eat some almonds, some cashews, some sesame seeds and all. Make it a powder and mix it with your milk also and drink. That's how you get more benefit of eating sesame seeds and all. So I'm just giving you a little tip. And put a pinch of turmeric again. When I talk about one topic, I speak of so much, and of course it's a good information, and all these are information by my own self. But if you have any health issues and all, you need to first ask a doctor and then start anything. So I'm just whatever I say on YouTube is all my experiences, and what how much I gained eating all this and doing this on my self. So this is the little information. I hope you all like this information, and that's it for today. People who have problem in sleeping, like they cannot sleep in the night, they should always take half a spoon of sesame seeds and half spoon of jaggery. That will make them sleep so soundly, and they'll have a very good sleep of 6 to 7 hours. And the girls who don't get their periods, like if they miss their periods and all, and if they have this every day till their period comes, it will be so good, and they'll get a good flow also with it. So it has so many good benefits of eating sesame seeds. So friends, if you've liked my little information, a little small video about sesame seeds, please like it, share it and subscribe. See you all next time. Till then, I'm sending you lots of love. Bye.